Hi, Chef JM. What are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make shrimp and fish tempura.
Yay! I'm excited. Are you ready to cook?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, Chef. Let's get to it.
Welcome to Jem's Fun Activities.
Right now, we're just sifting our frying mix. There you go. Thank you, Chef. Oh, what did you just do? All right, I guess that's good. And then we are going to season our shrimp. Season it with salt and pepper. What are you doing? Don't do that. Also,
I just did that.
I know. And our red snapper. Then we'll just season this with salt and pepper. Okay, now we're just gonna pop them in the oil like that. Nice. Yeah. Look at that. Good. Cook them until they're golden brown. Almost ready. Why? Okay, Chef JM, this is what we did right here. Looks good? Okay, you want to try it? Okay, let's try it out. Which one? Let's pick the one on top. I think it's still really hot. You have to blow it first, okay?
It's not hot?
Yeah, it's really hot. Good job, Chef. Thank you. High five. You want to eat some more? Here, Chef. Bye. Okay, that's fine.
This is my best tempura ever.
Chef JM, look, it's done. Yeah, our fish tempura. Okay, you want to try it out? Okay, let's dig in.
Scoop it up.
Wow.
Ah!
Ooh, that's nice and juicy inside, JM. Oh, I'm so excited.
Chicken?
No, it's fish, remember?
Well, it's chicken.
It looks chicken, yeah. It looks like white meat, right?
Like
Let's cool it down a little bit. Still hot, still hot. One more. Ah! You ready? Ooh.
and so good.
Yeah, we did good.
It.
Good job. You want to say bye to them now?
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Good.
Bye.
Okay, bye for now. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Good.